Okay, so more formulas that you need to know. Volume, the amount of space that a solid occupies. Capacity, the amount of fluid that a container can hold. So space that a solid occupies. I'm looking around for an explanation. So these AirPods hold a specific amount of volume, right? They occupy a specific amount of space. Whereas this container can contain a certain amount of fluid. It has a capacity. Its capacity is currently fulfilled by highlighters and scissors, but I could fill this with water and it would have a capacity. So the volume of a prism. Prism, we're talking about what we were just talking about. So we've got our rectangular, that's a trapezoidal prism of some sort. We've got our triangular, we've got our prism that looks like this. Something like that. Then we have, so that's face area times height. So literally if you took a knife, I'm going to attempt to draw a knife here, and you cut down the middle, if it was a triangular prism, you would just have something that looks like this, right? Say the area of this was 13 centimeters squared. It'd be 13 centimeters squared times whatever the height was, 8. And that would be your volume cubed. That is for prisms. Now for cylinders and spheres, we do a different formula. Cylinders, volume is pi times radius squared times height. So let's have a look at our formula sheet. Pi times radius squared times height. Not on your formula sheet. Volume of a sphere, 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. We do get that. 4/3 pi r cubed. It's the bottom one here. I always remember anything to do with the 4 is a sphere. Okay, so let's have a look through some more important information. Capacity and volume also rely on these conversions. Anything with this red around it, I would say you guys need to write down or highlight or, screenshot. So capacity and volume will rely on these conversions. 1 milliliter is 1 centimeters cubed. So if you have a milliliter of water, it is, if you were to pour it into a mold of centimeters cubed, it's going to be 1 centimeter cubed, 1 physical centimeter cube. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, which is 1,000 centimeters cubed. And 1 kiloliter is 1,000 liters, or 1 meter cubed. So let's take a look at this example. Find the volume of this triangular prism. So our volume is going to be our area times our height. So how do we do this? We just take our area of our face. So think of it like area of the face times height, which is 12 centimeters squared times 13. 12 times 13 is going to give us 156 centimeters, and this is the important part, cubed. And we'll see 156 centimeters cubed. Okay, it's also, like I said, important to express your volume in cubic terms.